catch you with Chef Ricardo cooking program, guys. Today we're gonna show you can make yourself a nice, lovely Saturday morning egg sandwich with some cheese. Beautiful recipe, simple recipe. You know the weather is so cold out there, guys. Then a nice, lovely, probably a hot cup of chocolate or some coffee, whatever tea you like. You can go with it, guys. So enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and please leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. We got a lot more beautiful, simple recipe where you can prepare at home for your family and the kids. Then remember, Christmas is coming up. We got this special recipe, and you can also request your recipe where you like. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye bye. Guys, I love it. So first of all, I want to simply say to you guys, to make the Saturday morning egg sandwich with some cheese, first of all, make sure you have a low heat temperature. Make sure you pot on the stove for about 3 to 4 minutes before you start to do anything. All you need to do is simple, pop a little bit of olive oil inside of the frying pan like this. As you can see, it's not a lot of oil. That is just a little bit of oil. Simple, wrap the pot oil around in the front pan, just like this. A nice one. And all you're gonna do, turn up a little bit more heat on it like this, just to make the oil get warm very quickly. But as you can see, it's a non-stick frying pan. As you can see those temperature coming out of it, that means it's getting ready. Turn on back your stove. Crack 2 eggs and put it into a bowl or a cup or whatever you want to put your egg in. Crack 2 medium-sized egg. Take a little time and pour it straight inside like this. As you can see, turn on your stove very low. A little bit of coarse pepper. Also, a pinch of salt. Make it fry for roughly about 2 seconds on both sides. So as you can see, it's still frying on that one side. So basically, flip it over to the other side. Just like this. Simple, a little bit of pepper. And also a pinch of salt on this side. Not too much. Leave that to fry about 2 to 3 seconds. Nice. So as you can see, the egg frying so lovely. So basically, just put a piece of cheese, a yellow cheese, on top of it like this. Simple. Fold it over, just like that. Turn off the stove and let the cheese go and melt in the meantime. Alright? Nice. So I have a nice, lovely, big, fat, chunky burger bread. This is what they serve for breakfast in England. I've never seen something like this before. I went to a breakfast shop in the morning and the guy was giving me a big, even bigger than this one. So what we're gonna do is simple, guys. Is put on that fried egg like this. Alright? Nice one. And then a little bit of ketchup. Guys, I went to a breakfast shop in the morning and this is what I have for my breakfast. 6 months ago. I even do it even better than the way he did it, because I made my egg well fried. Good. His egg was running. So guys, as you can see, it's just another idea and another way where you can make yourself a nice lovely breakfast in the morning. Saturday morning breakfast. Look at this. This is just fantastic, beautiful. nice. So hopefully you like the recipe. Subscribe to the channel and please leave your comments. It's just something you can make at home. You might love it. So simple, easy and effective. You can have it with a nice lovely cup of hot chocolate tea or whatever you like. So enjoy the recipe and see you next time. Bye. Thank you so much, and hopefully you have a wonderful time. Enjoy yourself and see you in the next time. Bye bye.